My name is Adam. I'm manager for corporate application engineering here at Stratasys. This facility is the headquarters for SAF globally. We do display and demonstration as well as R&D and material development. So everything SAF related is developed here in Nottingham. We see the H350 as providing the most consistent and low-cost parts in powder bed fusion. It's the easiest to install, the most repeatable, and great for high volume. The reason we designed the H350 in the way it is now, with unidirectional architecture, is to make sure that the parts within a build are consistent, between builds on the same machine are consistent, and also between machines are also consistent. Once the parts have been depowdered, some applications require further post-processing. One of them is vapor smoothing, and this can improve mechanical performance. We know that it gives increased elongation at break and impact resistance, and we think this is because, statistically speaking, you've got a less rough surface, so you've got fewer crack propagation sites, and you see this in increased elongation at break and increased impact resistance. We've been able to combine the expertise here at Stratasys with the expertise at AMT to collaborate to make sure that the workflow is complete, the parts are as good as they can be, and we can serve as many customers as possible.